Hello, my name is Tara Blanco, 21 years old. I am a student of the radiology. I am diagnostic imaging technique program. I am in second semester. I am at university. I live in Bucaramanga with younger brother. I am nursing assistant. I am work. I am Santander University Hospital. I love cats. I am low motor skills. I went from Monday Tuesday. I for 15 to paper black with my brother. Then I go to work. And he goes to students. My job is very nice. Also, it is hard. I can do it out of possession. After work, I always come back to prepare lunch. For the next day, I am studying a little. Also, sometimes I get very tired and just want to sleep. On Saturdays, I am students. My shifts are at night. Fridays, I am students. During the day, I go to my parents' house. I am good. I am from the work. I am by writing. I am to visit my grandmother. At my parents' house, you feel calm. I am rested better. Loneliness is left aside. On Sundays, I live where I sleep in the morning. I wake home to sleep in the afternoon. I stay home to churches. Image is show my in very elegant, great, sweet quick I strictly. Take heavy I spin. To a lunch audience. Thank you I very much for attention.